Hello everyone, my name is Kimpor Kang, a civil engineering student in Paragon International University, and today I'm gonna explain a 2D structural analysis tool called PermaLearn.xyz, which is created by one of my seniors called Mr. Sa, and also my professor called Mengleang. And today I'm gonna talk an exercise from this book called Engineering Mechanics Statics, the 14th edition in SI unit by Mr. Hitler. And I'm gonna take an exercise from chapter 7, specifically exercise 7.15. And they want us to determine the internal normal force, shear force, and moment at point C. And we can take a second here to look at the members. So obviously we can calculate it by hand, one by one, step by step, as you can see in the solution here. But with the help of the 2D structural analysis tool called PermaLearn.xyz, it makes the exercise very easy to solve, and it saves us a lot of time. And I'm gonna show you how to use the tool. So basically, we're gonna input everything shown in the pictures to the tool. So first of all, we're gonna input the first member, which is from point A to point B in a total length of 6 meters. So we're gonna put 6 meters here, and the member is gonna appear here. And after that, we're gonna input the support. As you can see here, at point A, the support is a roller, and at point B, the support is pin. So what we're gonna do is just copy it into the tool, which is very, very simple. So a roller at point A, and a pin at point C. As you can see here, roller at point A, and a pin at point C. My bad. Pin at point B. And next we're gonna put the linearly distributed load as shown here in the exercise, which is a vertical force of 6 kilonewton per meter, and end with 0. And we just click add here. My bad, we have to choose the member, which is this one. And the load is a vertical load. Gonna add it, and that's it. That's all we gotta do with this specific exercise, and we're gonna go into solutions. So first of all, we're gonna look for the normal force, the internal normal force in this member at point C, which is 3 meters from point A and 3 meters from point B. So I'm gonna put normal force and make it display it. So point C should be here, which is 3 meters from point A and B. So as you can see here, the normal force is 0, which match the solutions. Normal force is 0 kilonewton. And next we're gonna find the shear force. So just change it to shear force. It's very simple. And at point C, as you can see here, the shear force is minus 1.5 kilonewton, and it matches with the solutions. And lastly, we're gonna find moment at point C. So here it's called bending moment. Just gonna display it. And at point C, the moment force is 13.5 kilonewton per meter, which also matches the solution. So this is all, and as you can see here, the tool PermaLearn.xyz has made solving this kind of exercise very easy and very time saving. So that is all, guys. Thank you for watching. and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.